We are pulling up to Land Rover Heaven. Dave Darcy, beautiful spot, old series vehicles. I'm going to speak to him first before we just come in and film. So hopefully I'll be getting back to you guys here in a second and I can show you more of some cool old Land Rover stuff. All right, so Land Rover Heaven. You're here with Dave and walking around this just absolute gem of a collection out in Australia. So he's got some Defenders right there. Those ones are going to New Zealand. They're going to get rebuilt. But he has got series vehicles for days. And they are absolutely beautiful. That one and the one next to it, that unfortunately was in the bushfires. It was ex-military vehicles. Really sad to see that. But all the vehicles that he has got here with the bits and the pieces, and all of them are rebuilt. I'll show you guys inside as well. This one actually caught my eye. Trying to convince Katie that I should buy this, because that to me looks like something that I would be very, very happy with. Just look at that. And I'd probably leave it exactly like that. I wouldn't even do very much else to it. Some cool vehicles here as well, just with some great history. There's a series 80-inch. It looks really good. So this vehicle over here was used on power lines, and that's a hydraulic winch that runs off of the gearbox. And what they would do, what Dave was telling me, is in the back it's got those hooks, and they would tie it to trees so that it would basically be anchored at the bottom and then pull up the lines with this winch, which is, that's a big winch. But so much cool stuff over here. I'll do a couple of shots inside as well so you guys can see the stuff that's in there. So this is the private collection of Dave, and it is probably one of the happiest places that I have ever been to in my life. He has got some of the most amazing and rare vehicles that I have ever come across. Ever. Every single one of them has got history. It's got stories. It's absolutely incredible. Rust-free chassis, rust-free bulkheads, all over Australia. And you've shipped these to, what was the story with you shipping vehicles to England that they rebuilt?
Back to Land Rover themselves.
Yeah,
I think
fantastic.
we had 4 go back through Reborn.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, amazing. So it's funny that they've gone all the way back home and completely put back to brand new.
Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this portion of the video of our trip to Australia. Land Rover Heaven. Follow it. It is incredible.
Have you guys got an 80-inch?
We've got an 88.
Have you?
Yeah. Katie. Nothing.
Not this.
Katie, wave. Hi.